Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome to your oracle reading for today, for 28th November 2020. And this is Shilpa M. Menon. You can see I'm just like in this quiet space, and it's not very brightly lit up. It's primarily because one of my cats has decided today that I'm supposed to sit in one place, put a blanket out over me so she can sleep inside the blanket. And that's exactly what she's done. So I can't move, I can't go to my space where I do a regular reading. So pardon me for that, but I'm quite excited that, or rather, let me tell you, this is a choice I've made where she is literally sleeping under my feet right now while I'm doing the reading because she did not want to move. She insisted. And because of that, then I decided to use the cat oracle. And in the cat world, on Saturdays you call it a Cataday. So this is how the deck looks like. Today you'll be only seeing the mirror image because I really can't move much, and most of the cat people will resonate that when they choose to sleep you really can't move much. So what is the message that's coming today from the Cat Tarot? It's again a very beautiful card. It's the Hermit card, the number 9 card. Okay, in the traditional tarot, when you see a Hermit card, it simply means today is the day to go within. Today is the day to be in solitude, to create your own sacred space and access your wisdom. I want to read out from the booklet here on the Cat Tarot. How are they depicting the Hermit card today? All right. So it's very sweet, and I quite like what was written here, is why I wanted to read it out as well. It says that indoor kittens need not be any less worldly than the wild ones. True, it's not necessary that just because you're an introverted person or you like to be inside does not make you wise just because you don't go outside. There is a space within all of us where the information does come through. If this card is being pulled out, what is really being said is much wisdom can be gained simply by watching from the window. If I connect it to the human realm, it's about just pure observation today. Just for today, the universe is asking you to observe. The more you observe, the more you realize what is really happening around you and inside you. Even hiding in a shopping bag while the rest of the world goes about doing their business, today you're asked to create your sacred space. The Eye of the Horus. If you can see, there is this lovely Eye of the Horus on the card. It's an Egyptian symbol. I am really sorry about the lighting, but like I mentioned, my cat is sleeping and I really can't move much right now. This is an Egyptian symbol which really means something is protecting you. Eye of Horus is watching over you and you are healing and you are guided. So let's see what's written over here. The Eye of Horus suggests protection and healing, like I mentioned. Here is a safe space to turn your gaze inwards. Soul searching may lead you to new realizations. That's beautiful. So just for today, you're asked to do a soul searching, to stay with yourself, to observe how you're behaving. If you can create a sacred space or a corner, be with yourself for some time. Traditionally, in Rider-Waite Tarot, it also means your inner guru is awakening, giving you the guidance. The light is being shined upon you. Take your time out today, just for today. Allow for your Saturday to be a soulful Saturday, just the way my cat is doing right now, hiding underneath my feet inside the blanket. I think I'm learning from her to go quiet. So yeah, that is the message. Number 9 in the angelic realm means get to your life purpose now. There are certain endings that's happening. Some completions are happening in your life. Mother Earth needs you. So go ahead, do some soul searching and ask yourself, am I walking the path of my purpose? Am I even aware of my purpose? What is it that makes me come alive no matter what? These are some of the questions you can ponder upon. And that is your reading for today. The Hermit. Cute cat oracle card. Happy Cat Day. Happy soulful Saturday, each one of you. Goodbye, everyone.